Hi friends, let's start with our next video of the series of solving HackerRank problem. Today we're going to solve a problem named insert a node at a specific position in a linked list, which is from data structures problem and also from the linked list. So basic problem statement given here is that given a pointer to the head of the node of a linked list and an integer to insert at a certain position, create a new node with the given integer as its data attribute. Insert this node at the desired position and return the head node. A position of 0 indicates head, a position of 1 indicates one node away from the head, and so on. The head pointer given may be null, meaning that the initial list is empty. As we always do, first case would be to work on a case when the head is null. So first, if head equal to none, or if head is none, let's copy the function and I guess data, because when the head is basically null, the position would really not matter. Once we have done, we will initialize a variable. Let's say cur in head, and we will assign the entire linked list data into that cur for I in range 0, position -1, because as you know, in Python indexing starts from 0, not 1. Cur equal to cur dot next, and once it reaches the position of, once the loop has reached a position equal to the value which is our position value, then once after this loop is being iterated, it will reach that position. Then cur dot next, comma cur dot next equal to single linked list node data, and I will return our value. And one mistake that we have done is the indentation. I have not seen it. Let's just indent it properly. Let's run the code. I hope it runs. Yeah, as you could see, it is able to successfully pass all the test cases and submission is successful. So let me try if I could make it more easier to understand. No, this is not, that is not possible. You have to initialize in this way. Okay, so that's it, guys. Let's run it. Yeah, so it passed all the test cases, and all this problem, as we are following the series of solving all the linked list problems, so all these problems are basically similar types. That's why there is only 5 points in solving each of the problem. So thanks for watching, and as I always keep on saying, do comment in this video so that I could improve the next time and making a further video on this series or some other some other problem. Maybe I will be able to explain you in a better way. The feedback is very important. So send me your feedbacks if possible. Join the Discord channel. Send me your opinions. Send me your values, because I would like to know from you, means what are the technologies you are working on. Maybe learn from you guys. That will be very interesting. So please subscribe to that Discord channel, and thanks for watching and stay tuned.